Hello friends! Today we learn about good manners. It's very important. You have to daily routine like please, caring and loving, excuse me and sharing. So let's start it. First number is please. The please is please give me glow, please give me mobile. This is the please. I say please every day. Caring is a good word. When someone sick, then you have to care when someone is sick. It's like mama caring to baby, then brother caring to sister and sister caring to brother, then and mama papa caring to grandmother or grandpa. Permission. The permission is a good word. And what about permission? The permission is, would I take mobile? Would I take tab? Would I take some toys? Would I take chess? So this is permission. This is also good word, not bad word. Is sharing. This is also good word. It's not a bad word. Share is it's like you doing in share in lunch. Oh, please give me foods. This is sharing. Okay, like someone give this is sharing. Excuse me. It's like excuse me, please give me some toys like this. Excuse me. This is a good word. 5 number is sorry. Okay? It's all not bad word. It's good word. Sorry. When some hit you, then someone angry to you when you hit, then say sorry. And when in mistake in paper, then you have to say sorry. Smile. When someone is angry or sad, then you will smile. When someone sad, then you should smile on sad friends who are sad. Loving is good word. Loving is like mama love babies. It's like this. The loving. Can you say love or loving? Loving. Okay. So loving is good manners. It's like you pyari. Then you loving someone like friends, your brother, sister, and mama, papa, grandmother, grandpa. Polite to everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Samik. Like this is polite. Not like hello friends. Not like this. Only hello friends. And no shouting and louder. Only down, low and polite. Thank you. When someone gives you, then say thank you very much or thanks you. And thanks. And what is like your uncle giving you a teddy, then you have to say thank you so much. And this is also good word. Please subscribe to my channel. Then click the bell icon. Then you have to subscribe to my channel. Only my channel.